EmoStyle, Emotion-Driven Image Stylization. This work introduces a new task, called Affective Image Stylization or AIS, which aims to generate artistic stylizations that not only preserve image content, but also evoke specific emotions. And we propose a framework EmoStyle to accomplish this new task. Unlike traditional style transfer methods that require reference images or complex prompts, our method only needs a simple emotion word, such as awe, fear, or sadness. Art is fundamentally emotional. For example, Van Gogh's Starry Night often evokes awe and wonder, while Munch's They Scream conveys fear and anxiety. However, existing style transfer methods mainly focus on visual appearance rather than emotional expression. So this raises question 1. How to automatically create images that are not only visually compelling but also emotionally resonant? Current approaches usually require reference style images, artist names, or detailed textual prompts. This creates two limitations. 1. They require artistic knowledge from users. 2. They do not explicitly model emotion. At the same time, affective image manipulation methods mainly edit realistic images through color or semantic changes, but usually ignore artistic stylization. So our two other key questions are how to bridge the gap between visual appearance and emotional impact, and how to enhance the practicality and accessibility. To address this, we introduce affective image stylization, which bridges style transfer and affective image manipulation, and our contributions can be summarized as follows. We introduce affective image stylization, AIS, which applies artistic styles to evoke target emotions while preserving its original content, and construct EmoStyle, set as its data foundation. We propose EmoStyle, which integrates an emotion content reasoner to fuse emotion and content, and a style quantizer to map continuous features into discrete, emotion-aware style representations. We conduct extensive experiments and user studies, showing that EmoStyle achieves a strong balance between emotional expressiveness and content consistency. It also shows strong potential for affective art creation. AIS introduces two major challenges. First, there is no suitable training dataset. Existing artwork emotion datasets only contain artworks and emotion labels, but not the corresponding content images. So we construct a new dataset called EmoStyle set. It consists of triplets: content, image, emotion label, and stylized artwork. We build it from Artemis. The key idea is to separate content from artistic style. We first generate captions using Blip2, then use Unzip LoRa to disentangle content and style. After that, ControlNet reconstructs realistic content images while preserving structure. Finally, we apply filtering using clip similarity, Plips emotion classification, and human verification. This gives us over 10,000 high-quality triplets. Next, I'll introduce our framework, called EmoStyle. The framework contains two main components. 1. Emotion content reasoner. 2. Style quantizer. The overall goal is, given a content image and an emotion word, generate a stylized image that is both emotion expressive and structurally consistent. The first module is the emotion content reasoner. The intuition is that artistic style depends on both what the image depicts and what emotion it should express. We extract content features using Cyglip. Instead of using text embeddings for emotions, we represent emotions as one hot vectors over 8 emotion categories. This is important because language models often associate emotions with facial expressions, while artistic emotions are much broader. Then we project emotion and content into a shared embedding space and feed them into a multimodal transformer. The transformer performs cross-modal reasoning and outputs an emotion-aware style query. So this module essentially decides what kind of artistic style should be used. The second module is the style quantizer. The key observation is that artistic styles are often perceived discretely, such as Impressionism, Realism, or Expressionism. So, instead of learning continuous style representations, we build discrete style dictionaries. Specifically, each emotion owns a style dictionary, and each dictionary contains multiple style prototypes. During inference, the style query generated by the reasoner retrieves the near-street prototype. Through vector quantization, this provides interpretable style selection, controllable generation, and many-to-one emotion style mapping. For example, sadness can be expressed through multiple different artistic styles. Now, let's look at the results. Quantitatively, EmoStyle achieves the best emotion accuracy, the lowest sentiment gap, and strong content preservation. Compared with previous methods, traditional style transfer methods generate beautiful images but weak emotional expression, while effective editing methods modify emotions but lack artistic stylization. Our method balances both. Qualitatively, EmoStyle generates images that are aesthetically appealing, emotionally expressive, and structurally faithful. User studies also show that participants strongly preferred our results in terms of aesthetics, emotion, fidelity, and overall balance. And our ablation study also shows the practicality and accessibility of our work. Finally, beyond stylization, EmoStyle can also be extended to emotion-driven text-to-image generation. Given a text prompt like dog and an emotion label such as fear or amusement, the framework can generate emotionally distinct artistic images. To conclude, our contributions are threefold. 1. We introduce the new task of effective image stylization. 2. We construct the EmoStyle dataset. 3. We propose EmoStyle, which combines emotion content reasoning with discrete style quantization. Overall, this work explores the relationship between emotion and artistic style, opening new directions for effective AI-generated art. Thank you.